Hey, honey, where are we?
We're going to Aulani. Ah.
It's amazing, isn't it?
It is amazing. Am I taking that picture together?
Just hey.
No, I don't.
Hey, hey, hey!
What happens to the photographer?
Oh, well,
Yeah, you go over there. You want the whole background clear? I could too.
Thank you so much.
Say 360 Jimmy.
Happy holidays, guys. Merry Christmas.
Lazy River.
Cool.
Wonder what's in the stores. Let's go check it out. Liz has already found the store.
I love these ears. They're awesome. Very nice. And it's blue.
You're gonna buy them? Maybe. All t-shirts here. Nice. Oh, I like that. That looks nice. That's a nice one too. Let's find out the prices of things, shall we?
Oh, great.
45 for the t-shirts. Nope, I think I found something we're gonna get. $25. We'll have to check in with Lee.
I'm not getting any sweatpants here.
Where's... Oh, there.
I'm not sure.
Did you find Ulu Mel stuff, Mom?
Daffy.
Yeah, friend of Duffy.
Feel it. It's nice shirt.
What's the price of this?
$65.
$65.
It's nice.
It's not a bad one.
Very.
You got matching dress too.
Yeah.
All Ulu though. All Ulu Mel. Oh yeah. Yeah. The mad coconuts from Moana. Oh, bucket. Yeah, that would be that actually suit you, no? It looks good on you, actually. I like it. That's not bad.
These little guys are cute.
Where did Lise go?
I don't know. She went that way, I think.
Okay.
I like this.
Crop top? You know who would like that? Sean, right? Here, cover this.
And they have shoes.
That's the magic bands.
You can, I'll let you get those 100
I love it. Where would I wear it?
Hey, you wouldn't.
And we,
That's a great little hat.
it is.